Hello, my name is Reza. In this video, I want to tell you what should we do when the menu bar in SolidWorks has disappeared like this. See, there is no menu bar. This problem usually happens when we unconsciously press a key on the keyboard that we don't even know which key it was. Anyway, to solve this problem, the only thing you have to do is to restart SolidWorks. Press Ctrl Shift Escape to access Task Manager. Select the SolidWorks and press End Task. Then restart SolidWorks. Wait. Select a part. The menu bar has returned to the first state. Thank you for watching.